All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about automation. So no-code automation. Meet your new butler. Let the robots do the work so your team can focus on work that matters. With Trello's built-in automation, Butler reduces the number of tedious tasks and clicks on your project board by harnessing the power of automation across your entire team. So I'll give you an example of this. When I worked for a company as an IT director, we wanted to try to maximize the least amount of clicks possible for each department, okay? And the reason for that is you get more work done. The less clicking you're doing, the more efficient you are, the more you're producing, the more gets out the door, okay? And so that's the whole idea of automation, is you want to prevent tedious tasks and clicks where possible. Now, it doesn't mean you're going to automate everything, but you're going to try to automate as much as you can so that you can be as efficient as possible, okay? So Butler uses natural language commands to automate just about any task in Trello. Automate common actions like moving lists, create a custom buttons to build process quickly, surface upcoming deadlines to the team, and schedule teammate assignments and more. Okay, so that's automation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.